In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Toji sword in Jujutsu Chronicles. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to get Toji sword, known as the Inverted Spear of Heaven, you will have to go over to the Cursed Tool Shop, as you can see on this location on the map. Don't worry, I'm gonna teach you the exact path that you have to take to get here. So, first, if you just join a server or you reset your character, what you have to do is go over to Jujutsu High. So I'm just gonna go do the entire path. Once you spawn in Jujutsu High, go towards this dummy area here where you can see these mountains. So keep going towards the dummies, go through them, and then go through this exit here. What you have to do is, instead of going forward towards this forest here, just climb up on these rocks. So you will be able to see this ramp that you can climb on. Keep going forward, climb once again, and now you can find the Cursed Tools Shop. So you can take a look around. As you can see, it is a nice place, very detailed, and if you go inside, you will be able to find all sorts of weapons. So you have the Nami's Cleaver, Yuta's Katana, Maki's Wrap Spear, Megumi's Blade, Kusakabe's Katana, Maki's Spear, Mei's Axe, Slaughtered Demon, and finally the Inverted Spear of Heaven. This is how you will be able to get Toji's sword. So you will need 750,000 coins and you need to have special grade. As you can see, I am a newbie, I'm only grade 4, so obviously I will not be able to purchase this blade. But if you have these requirements here, just go ahead, hold the specified button, and you will be able to acquire the Inverted Spear of Heaven. For me, it's just telling me that I don't have the requirements met, but once you acquire this blade, if you are a better player than me, it is going to appear under your inventory, so go over to your menu, inventory, and it is going to be listed under your weapons. And this is all you have to do to acquire Toji's sword and all other weapons available in the Cursed Tool Shop. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Toji's sword in Jujutsu Chronicles. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.